Hi, I'm going to show you the demonstration of the COVID-19 rapid test. It should be interpreted by a doctor or a nurse, but I'm going to do it here. Since I'm a doctor, I can interpret it myself. Here's the little kit, and what we want is a little drop of blood. Here's the automatic needle pricker, and here, just press. Oh, and here's the blood coming out. So here is the buffer, and I'm going to add 2 drops. Okay. We now wait 10 minutes to see if either my IgM antibody is positive. That's the antibody that can become positive within 4 days or more after infection, or the IgG, which can become positive after 11 days of infection up to several months.